In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Steam input for Xbox controllers. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, now to do so, it is quite simple. Just head over to Steam here, and this process is the same whether you are using the app or you are accessing it through the website. So once you get to Steam, go ahead and click on it, and then from this option, go ahead and click on Settings. From here, you'll see we have this option called Controller. If you click on it, you can see now we have the controller settings available here. For our case, we are interested in enabling Steam input for Xbox controllers. As you can see, currently they are turned off. To turn them on, go ahead and toggle these on. And once you do that, your settings will have been applied. Now you may want to go ahead and make sure that this has been enabled on your game. To do so, just go to your library and then identify the game that you want to enable the controllers. And once you identify it, go ahead and right click on it and choose this option called Property. And under Property, go ahead and click on Controller. Here you can go ahead and change or override the controller option for these settings by enabling the Steam input manually here, or you can use the default settings. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.